Hello and welcome! I want you to pause for just a second and take a quick look at your nails. No. Really? Take a good look. Do you see those faint, or maybe not so faint, vertical lines running from your cuticle to the tip? A lot of folks don't give them a second thought or simply assume, well, that's just part of getting older. But here's the truth. Those little lines can actually be an important clue about your overall health. Today, we're going to uncover 7 common reasons for vertical nail ridges, and I'm going to share what you can do to help restore your nails to a smoother, healthier state. Grab a comfy seat, and let's dive right in. Let's begin with one of the most frequent culprits: anemia, specifically when you're running low on iron or vitamin B12. These two nutrients work together to ensure your body's red blood cells can carry enough oxygen to the nail matrix, the tiny factory under your nail that controls growth and shape. When there's not enough oxygen reaching that matrix, the nails can grow weak and develop ridges. Maybe you've also noticed feeling tired, lightheaded, or generally low energy. Those are often telltale signs of anemia, too. The good news is this can be addressed fairly easily. If you suspect anemia, a blood test can confirm what's going on. From there, you might boost your diet with iron-rich foods. Think spinach, lentils, and lean red meat, and consider supplements if needed. Don't forget pairing iron sources with a little vitamin C, like bell peppers or a squeeze of lemon juice, can help your body absorb iron more efficiently. Give it a few weeks, and your nails might start looking stronger and less ridged as your body regains its nutritional balance. Another angle to consider is what happens if you're vegan or vegetarian, or simply leaning heavily into plant-based eating. These diets can be fantastic for a host of reasons: environmental, ethical, and health-related. But they sometimes put you at risk for nutrient gaps, including B12 and heme iron. Why does that matter for your nails? Non-heme iron, the type you get from plants, isn't absorbed as well as heme iron from animal products. Plus, vitamin B12 is tricky to find in non-animal foods. If you're regularly experiencing fatigue or noticing stubborn ridges on your nails, it's worth checking your levels. Luckily, there are fixes. For iron, you can combine plant-based sources, like beans or spinach, with vitamin C-rich foods to boost absorption. For B12, you might look into fortified cereals, nutritional yeast, or a high-quality supplement. Proactivity is key here. Get your blood work done occasionally. Keep tabs on your levels, and your nails, and the rest of your body, will thank you. Moving on, let's talk about your digestive system. Something a lot of people forget about when it comes to nail health. You can eat all the right foods, but if your gut isn't absorbing the nutrients properly, it's almost like pouring water onto a plant with a sealed pot. It's not going to do much good. Conditions such as acid reflux, bloating, irritable bowel syndrome, or just general gut inflammation can block essential vitamins and minerals from reaching your bloodstream. Over time, that shortage can show up in your nails. The nail matrix needs a good supply of iron, calcium,
B12,
and other nutrients to build strong, smooth nails. If you suspect poor absorption is part of your problem, a few easy adjustments might help. You could try having a little apple cider vinegar and water before meals to help with digestion, or add probiotic foods like yogurt, kefir, kimchi, or sauerkraut to your daily routine. These small steps can help your gut break down and use the nutrients you're giving it, which in turn might give you healthier nails in the long run. Next, let's delve into the thyroid gland, a small but mighty hormone powerhouse in your neck. It controls your metabolism, energy levels, and, yes, it can even influence your nail health. An underactive thyroid, known as hypothyroidism, often leads to symptoms like fatigue, weight gain, cold sensitivity, and changes in hair or nail quality. Because hypothyroidism slows down your overall metabolic rate, your nails might grow more slowly and form ridges. Plus, if your thyroid issues also affect how well you utilize iron and B12, it's a double whammy for your nails. If you notice that you're feeling constantly tired or you have other signs of hypothyroidism, it's worth asking a doctor to run some tests, like checking your TSH, T3, and T4 levels, balancing your thyroid function through medication, dietary tweaks, such as including iodine from seafood or seaweed, or adding selenium from Brazil nuts, can make a surprising difference in how your nails look and feel. We can't talk about modern-day challenges without touching on stress. It's everywhere: work, family, finances. And our bodies respond by pumping out cortisol, the stress hormone. In small doses, cortisol can be helpful, but chronic stress is another story. It can deplete vital nutrients, mess with your circulation, and even cause hair and nail growth to slow or weaken. Sometimes we also develop coping habits under stress, like nail biting or picking, that directly damage the nail bed. Before you know it, your nails are ridged, brittle, or peeling. If you suspect stress might be the reason your nails look less than ideal, taking steps to manage that stress could be a game changer. Whether it's a quick mindfulness session each morning, an evening walk in nature, or swapping screen time for a good book, find a routine that helps you unwind. Not only will your nails appreciate it, your mental health will get a boost. 2. Speaking of nail biting, let's give that habit its own moment. If you're someone who absent-mindedly chews your nails while watching TV or scrolling on your phone, you're introducing constant trauma to the nail bed. That makes it tough for nails to grow in smoothly. And ridges often appear where the nail has been repeatedly damaged. Nail biting can also lower blood flow to the matrix, meaning fewer nutrients get where they need to go. Kicking the habit can be challenging. Trust me, I know. But there are strategies like applying bitter-tasting nail polish,
keeping your nails trimmed,
or even wearing a light bandage over nails prone to biting. Over time, as you reduce that direct damage, you might be surprised at how much healthier and ridge-free your nails become. Now, let's not forget about the everyday wear and tear we put our nails through. Constant exposure to water, especially hot water without protective gloves, can cause nails to weaken and form ridges. Harsh chemicals from cleaning products or acetone-based nail polish removers can dehydrate the nail's surface and strip away natural oils. Even dehydration from not drinking enough water can affect nail health, leaving them more brittle and prone to splits. You don't necessarily have to overhaul your entire life to fix this. Just a few mindful changes can go a long way. Consider wearing gloves when washing dishes or using strong cleaners. Switch to a gentler nail polish remover if you love manicures. And be sure to stay hydrated throughout the day. These small habits add up, and your nails will often reflect the care you put in. So, 7 possible reasons why vertical ridges might be showing up on your nails, and a bunch of practical ideas to help tackle the issue. Remember, your nails aren't just decorative. They're like mini health monitors that can clue you in on deeper imbalances. Whether it's boosting your iron levels, managing stress more effectively, improving your digestion, or simply wearing gloves while doing the dishes, a little attention goes a long way toward stronger, smoother nails. If you found this deep dive helpful, feel free to give this video a thumbs up. Share it with anyone who might be struggling with ridged nails. And don't forget to subscribe for more wellness tips. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. And here's to happier, healthier nails for us all.